What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing another martini variation. Actually, this one is called the Alaska, so let's just get into it. All right, so first things we are going to need is 45 mils of gin. Then we'll use 15 mils of chartreuse and a dash of orange bitters. We'll give that a good stir. Then we can whip out our Nick and Nora glass and we'll pour it right in there. And we are going to garnish this one off with a lemon twist. And that's all it is, guys. Pretty simple. Gin, chartreuse, orange bitters. Basically just a martini. We're swapping out the vermouth for some chartreuse, okay? We are, classically the spec is to use yellow chartreuse. I don't have yellow chartreuse. I don't care, sue me, okay? I use green instead. I like green anyways. I think green is delicious. If you only have green, maybe use a little bit less of it. Yellow chartreuse is a bit softer. It's a lower ABV, so when you put it into a martini, it might work a little bit better with your gin. I love chartreuse. I love the strong herbalness of it, so I used it and I just did the full 15. But your choice, guys, whatever you want. The Alaska cocktail, though, this thing was made back in the early 1900s. No one is, as far as I can find, no one really knows where the name came from. It kind of just became the Alaska, at least as far as I can find. Back when this was originally created, they also used Old Tom gin instead, which is more of a sweeter style of gin. Nowadays, it's become common practice to just use a juniper forward gin. The gin that I used it's juniper forward, but there's a little bit nice crisp citrus in it. I wanted to go that route, so that's what I did. Go with what you feel, right? As for the actual cocktail itself, what can I say? This is the Alaska cocktail. It's funny that it's called the Alaska cocktail because when you think of Alaska, you think it's cold, right? Northern. When I drink this cocktail, it actually makes me think of summer. Okay, this is very light. It's very crisp. Really nice herbal notes in there. The orange, you're getting a little bit of that orange citrus coming in there. It's really, really nice and delicate. It feels like a very strong, stirred down, refreshing drink, if that makes sense, okay? You don't come across those very often, but that's what I feel like this one is. Yeah, genuinely delicious. I think you put chartreuse in anything and you've got amazing drink. Chartreuse just makes everything so good. The monks have killed it. They're just always so good at what they do, okay? But that is all that I have for you today, guys. Give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay? If you like these videos, guys, please let me know in the comments and also hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be coming out with more and more every single week. If you have a cocktail that you think I should be making on here, hit me up, let me know. I'll get the ingredients and we'll put it together, okay? But until then, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.